In this video, I'll try to install Google's Android Studio on my MacBook. Okay, let's get started. So, Android Studio. This is the IDE for developing Android applications for Android phone. So, view what's new, download Android. Okay, here, let's click this one. Download Android Studio. So 4.0 for Mac. Okay, cool. Download Android Studio. Okay, general, I have read and agree with that. Download Android Studio for Mac. Yes. So 3 minutes left. Okay, so let me make this one. It's downloading. Three minutes left. Okay, I'll pause the. Okay, almost done. 4 seconds left. It's a DMG file. Now, do we need? Yeah, I think we can open this one. Opening Android Studio IDE blah blah dash Mac dot. Okay, so let's just follow this instruction. Drag this guy into the application. Verifying Android Studio. What is that screen recording? Oh, okay. Open, yes. Where is it? Where is our stuff? Let's shut down this one. Oh, do not import settings. Okay. Don't send user settings to Google. Don't set. Welcome. So welcome. This wizard will set up your development environment for Android Studio. Okay. So next, standard, custom. Okay. Just use the standard one. Select UI theme. Light. Yes, I like light. If you want to review or change any of your installation settings, click previous. No, finish. Current setting, okay. Starting download, what? Show details. No, I'm not interested in that. What is behind here? Applications, okay. So, where is our Android Studio? I can't find Google Chrome. Where is Android? Maybe it's not here yet. And what is this one? Oh, this is done. So let's close that and close this so we can focus on here. Oh, this is my computer password. System extension blocked. A program tried to, okay. Android Studio 4.0.0. Running Intel Hexen installer. Okay. Detail. Wow. I'm not sure how long it will take. Yeah, it's not too bad. It takes just a few minutes. So silent installation pass. Okay, finish. Then what? Oh, Android Studio. So start a new Android Studio project. Okay, cool. Let's create a empty. Do we have an empty? Empty activity. Okay, let's use this one. Next, my application. Okay, so language Kotlin. Yeah. What about the hello world? Hello world. Location Android Studio project. Sure. Hello world Android Studio projects. Minimum SDK API. Use DeckC Android. Kotlin. This is the new language. Yeah, it's better than Java. Okay, so let's use this. Oh, finished. Finish. Sure. Loading project. Wow. Hello world. Hello world. Can we run it? I'm not sure. Let's try it. So this is our hello world project, right? And well, it's the run button. At least we can select from here, run. But I guess we need to set up our emulator is called. But anyway, let's try it. Run it. Yeah, edit the configuration. What? Okay, run it. So can you see it? Gradle is working. Gradle is the building tool. It's downloading something. Okay, it took another 2 or 3 minutes to get here. So what's next? No devices. Yeah, let's set up AVD to select our device, create a virtual device. Okay, so let's just accept the default. Okay, phone. Next. So what's that? Select the system image. Sure. Wait, what? Oh, which one? Recommended. A system image must be selected to continue. System, what is Android 10 plus? Can we download that? Okay. Accept. Next. There are so many different things to download. Wow, this one. So I have to pause the video because it might take another 5 minutes, maybe. Okay, I'll let you know when it took about 5 minutes to get here. So now component installation is finished. So let's click here, finish. Oh, so now we can go next. Finally, we can finish this AVD, Android Virtual Device. Okay. So create the word. No, we on. Yeah, this is fine. So let's close that. We have one Pixel 2 API. This is our emulator. Now can we run it? Yeah, here you see now we have our device here. Run it. Ta-da! Hello world. Yes, cool. So let's stop it and run again to make sure it's still there. I can't believe it. Yes, hello world. Our first Android app on the emulator. See you next time.